Groups in Canvas are set up so that the grade you give to the group is the grade that each group member will receive. There are times, though, where one student in a group may need a different grade than the other members in that group. This tutorial will teach you a workaround on how to give that one student a different grade. Navigate to the page for the group assignment or discussion. Click on Edit. Scroll down on the settings page to the group assignment section. Then click on the checkbox, Turn on Assign Grades to each student individually. Scroll to the bottom and click on Save. Now you can grade the individual student either in the gradebook or in the SpeedGrader. If you want to grade group assignments like normal, you'll want to return to the group assignment or discussion, uncheck the Assign Grades to each student individually option, and then click Save. Please check out our faculty resource site for more tutorials as well as information on how to reach out to ATD with any questions or any assistance needs you may have. Thanks for watching.